The US government is about to auction off 69,370 bitcoins worth over $4.4 billion. What does this mean for Bitcoin's price? Will this create a once-in-a-lifetime buying opportunity or lead to a market crash? Hello, crypto investors. Welcome to my channel Crypto Day Night Watch, your guide to the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Today, we'll dissect how this upcoming government auction could affect Bitcoin's price and your portfolio. We'll explore both the potential for gains and the risks of losses. So, stay tuned for insights that will help you make better, informed decisions. First, let's talk economics. One fundamental principle that affects any asset, whether it's Bitcoin or traditional currency, is supply and demand. When the supply of something suddenly spikes, prices often drop. That's basic economics. With the US government planning to auction a substantial portion of Bitcoin, the supply on the open market will increase considerably. But how much could this move actually sway the price? However, it's not that simple. When demand meets or exceeds the supply, prices may stay steady or even surge. The key question here is whether institutional and retail investors are hungry enough for Bitcoin to absorb this supply. Let's break down the downward scenario. Historically, large government sales have tended to push prices lower. The government's primary objective is to liquidate these assets, not necessarily to maximize profits. If the US government sells quickly, it could trigger a sell-off frenzy as traders and bots attempt to front-run the sale, which could lead to a price dip. Some investors might fear that a sudden influx of Bitcoin on the market signals a bearish outlook. In economic terms, this phenomenon aligns with the market crowding effect, where oversupply creates short-term downward pressure on prices. But wait. There's another side to this coin, the potential for a price surge. Enter institutional investors. This auction might attract high-stake investors looking for a bargain. Platforms like Coinbase Prime, where some of these Bitcoins may be auctioned, cater specifically to large institutions. Demand at this level could absorb the supply and even create upward momentum. Let's think about game theory here. If institutions expect a rally after the sale, they may intentionally bid higher, securing large amounts at a slightly lower price and potentially driving prices up afterward. That creates a self-reinforcing cycle of demand, with more institutions following suit. This is where Donald Trump's recent comments on creating a strategic Bitcoin reserve come into play. If this idea gains traction, we could see political support building for long-term Bitcoin holdings, injecting optimism and trust into the market. Lastly, let's look at the competitive landscape in crypto. Bitcoin remains a dominant force, but other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Solana are rapidly evolving. This auction could represent an opportunity for Bitcoin to reassert itself, but it also comes at a time of heightened competition in the digital asset market. Remember, Bitcoin's market price isn't only about its intrinsic value, it's also about its position in the market against other assets. If the sale reinforces Bitcoin's dominant stance as a digital gold reserve, it could enhance investor confidence even amid competition. So, where does that leave us? We have two scenarios: a potential sell-off leading to a price drop, or a price surge if institutions and political support play their cards right. As investors, it's essential to prepare for both outcomes. To make smart decisions, keep an eye on market trends and stay updated on the timing of these auctions. Diversify where necessary, and remember that, like any asset, Bitcoin's price will reflect not only the present but the potential future it holds. If this analysis helped you make sense of the Bitcoin market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights from Crypto Day Night Watch. We're here to help you navigate the evolving world of crypto. Thanks for watching, and may your investments be as wise as they are prosperous.